Hello, my dear sweet buddies, welcome to Digital Desk. Everybody wants to copy some important files from their mobile to PC or laptop. We do this to save them for future use or in case if our mobile gets damaged or stolen. So we start copying our files like photos, videos, or documents. Sometimes, if we plan to copy 10 files, but when we open the mobile storage on our PC, 2 files go missing. However, when we check our mobile, we can clearly see all 10 files. You might wonder why this happens. The truth is, mobile often stores its data in different folders. And when we connect to a PC, some folders doesn't appear immediately. But don't worry, I have a solution. By checking the storage path on your mobile, we can easily find those missing files on PC. So now, if you are unable to find the right file or photo or any document on your mobile, just use the correct folder path from your mobile storage details. Then you can easily copy and paste from mobile to PC without losing anything. It may look like a simple trick, but many people forget about it. And sometimes, because of this small mistake, we lose our most important files. So remember, always check your mobile storage path before copying your data. That's how you can keep all your memories and important files in safe. If this tip helped you, like this video and share it with your buddies. And don't forget to subscribe to Digital Desk for more videos.